The primary reason for this is aerodynamics. You need to be able to, buildings need to be able to handle wind loads. When you have flat surfaces, wind loads have more impact on flat surfaces, but when your surfaces are curved, when winds hit your surfaces, it disperses the wind and it goes around the building. Also, this is also good for structural stability. And again, curves are more natural. Like psychologically, human beings appreciate curves better than flat or straight surfaces. Almost everything created in nature is never truly flat or smooth, almost everything. So there's this tendency to appreciate curved surfaces and see them as more aesthetic than flat surfaces.